This chart looks easy until you take a closer look and spot the trick. The values are out of order, so you'll need to read the labels and scan carefully. On the ACT science test, charts like this are designed to look familiar, almost comfortable. But that's the trap. The numbers don't follow the pattern your brain expects. And if you don't slow down enough to notice, you're not missing science. You're quietly giving away points. In this video, you learn how to read ACT science charts strategically, spotting patterns, handling unfamiliar terms, and making smart predictions from data. You're watching ACT Prep with Quizlet. Quick lessons to help you feel more confident on test day. Here is the first big idea. ACT science data is not guaranteed to be in order. Each column follows its own logic, so never assume values increase or decrease automatically. Next, don't assume matching charts are structured the same way. Tables that look almost identical can organize information differently. That's why reading the column labels isn't optional. It's how you avoid answering the wrong question with the right data. When answering a question, your task isn't to absorb everything on the screen. It's to track what the question asks, down to the column, across the row, and straight to the value that matters. Focus beats familiarity. Also, when a big scientific term shows up, it's meant to grab your attention, but not your time. On the ACT, you don't need to know what it means. You just need to know where the numbers are. So far, we've covered how ACT charts may be unordered, inconsistently structured, and full of unfamiliar terms, but still totally manageable. Ready to lock in? Tap the link for a quick ACT practice on Quizlet, then jump back in so you can keep learning without missing a beat. Let's take it one step further. When the ACT asks for a value that isn't shown, it's often asking you to interpolate, estimate what lies between 2 points. If the value at 10 degrees is higher and the value at 25 degrees is lower, then the value at 20 degrees has to fall somewhere in between. Other times, you'll extrapolate where you follow the trend you can see, then extend it beyond the data you're given to predict what comes next. If the graph is trending downward, then any prediction past the chart should keep going down too. That means you can quickly eliminate answers that show a big jump up or a sudden reversal and focus on the choice that stays consistent with the trend. Here's what makes this easier. Extrapolation on the ACT rarely requires a calculator. Following the trend logically is usually enough. To recap, first, check the labels. Next, follow the trend. And finally, don't overthink the science. On the ACT, careful reading and logical pattern spotting matter more than background knowledge. Keep learning. Visit our ACT Study Hub for practice tests to get you ready for test day.